Fast forward to the 20th century. White Castle became one of the first fast food chains to offer fries with their burgers. So can you guys talk to me about that transition that occurred in the fast food kingdom in the mid to late 80s?
Well, in the 1980s and before, often fries were fried in animal fat, like beef tallow. However, the saturated fats started to become linked with heart disease and higher blood cholesterol. So there was a movement to move away from saturated fats to plant oils.
And that's in no small part due to the work of Phil Sokolov, a Nebraska millionaire who suffered a heart attack which nearly killed him in 1966. After that, he poured his own money into a campaign to get fast food chains like McDonald's to lower the saturated fat content on their menu. And it worked. By 1990, McDonald's stopped using beef tallow to make their fries, and the rest of the industry followed suit, forever changing the landscape of the American French fry.
Today, fries are fried in a vegetable oil.
Was there a loss of flavor, quality, French fry enjoyment?
The oil is a big part of the fry itself. Those saturated fats tend to lend themselves to a crisper fry that you can't 100% replicate in a plant-based oil.
Adam Eats the 80s, new series Sunday at 10.